how to use Keep the Dishes application. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can use Keep the Dishes application. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your account, that is your Skip the Dishes account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you can see different options, different things that you can get or skip the dishes. Now, Skip the Dishes app is an application where you can become a courier, that is, you can become a driver and you can be delivering orders to people. And also, you can also be purely a consumer where you can just order for products directly on the app. So now, how do you be a consumer? To use this app as a consumer, the first step after signing in is to ensure that you have a delivery address. And how do you do this? By moving to the top part of the screen, clicking on the current address, and then you can see the kind of delivery you want, if it's immediately or for later. And you can edit your location if you want, or you can add a new address if you want. Then the next step of how you can use it is by ordering. Okay, you can just select a meal here, or you can decide to search for a meal depending on what you want. So once you selected a meal, you'll be brought to a page where you'll be asked to select a number of things. Go ahead and select it, and then once you're done, click on view order and then click on checkout. All right, so that is where you are to pay for the things you've ordered for on Skip the Dishes. And then you'll be brought to this page. You have to edit the delivery, edit the courier, edit your points, etc. And then click on payment method. And then here you can only pay through credit card because the cash options are not accepted by that particular restaurant. So after doing this, click on add card, and from there you'll be able to pay for your order. Okay, so the second way, which is by becoming a driver, is by moving to the top right corner of the screen and by clicking on the profile icon. Then on the page displayed, you can see different options. Scroll down and see drive it, skip, become a courier. And then once you click on it, to be redirected to another page. On this page, fill in the required information, fill in the slots and the background check required of you. And then from there, you will become a courier or skip. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.